Hey everyone, this is Shraddha and welcome back to my new vlog. Today I will take you to Yellowstone National Park. So let's have a look. Welcome to one of nature's most mesmerizing wonders, Yellowstone National Park. It's located in the west of America in Wyoming and stretching into Montana and Idaho. Yellowstone National Park is the world's first national park and home to some of the most extraordinary geothermal wonders on Earth. Before me, there is a geothermal spring that looks almost like a giant eye, staring back at the sky. The brilliant colors you see are created by heat-loving microorganisms living in the mineral-rich water, while the deep blue center reveals some of the clearest and hottest water in the park. Different species thrive at different temperatures, creating the stunning bands of blue, green, yellow, orange, and brown that makes Yellowstone's hot springs so unique. The steam rising from the surface is a reminder that beneath Yellowstone lies one of the largest active volcanic systems on Earth. This incredible landscape is constantly changing, shaped by heat, water, and time. Standing here, it's very hard of not to feel amazed by the power and beauty of nature. Yellowstone is not just a national park, it's living, breathing window into the Earth's hidden forces. And of course, it's one of the most beautiful national parks I have been so far in the US. I hope you enjoyed this magnificent beauty of Yellowstone National Park. It's very rare and unique and so beautiful, so amazing. But I would like to say that what I experienced in my own eyes would never be possible to show through the lenses of my camera. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, and lots of love.